Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off specific commands of the voice control on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work all the same on every iPhone. So what you wanna do is open Settings, swipe down, go to the Accessibility, then go to the voice control, and then open Commands. And let's say you want to delete maybe or just turn off in the dictation, enter that, or insert date, for example. You just click on the command and click on enabled, just turn off. Now, as you can see, this specific command is going to be turned off. So you can do it with whatever command you want to. Just click on the specific command, find that command, and just click to disable that. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!